Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to mount a phone holder or GPS holder with mirror brackets onto a scooter or motorcycle. Here are some popular holders attached directly to the handlebars. Sometimes it is impossible to use holders like this because handlebars are covered with plastic covers or there is no enough space on handlebars to fit the phone holder. That's a common problem for scooter owners. In that case, you can use a phone holder with mirror brackets that will fit almost any motorcycle. This is Yamaha Majesty 400 Maxi scooter. I want to install phone holder, but I don't have access to the handlebar because it's covered with this plastic cover. So the only way to install the phone holder is to remove the mirror. Obviously, I can't do that while I'm holding my camera with one hand, and I'm going to stop recording here, but I hope you get a rough idea how to do that. And this is a phone holder that I'm going to use. I ordered it online. It was pretty cheap. It cost me like 15 bucks. It came in this little box. With all necessary parts and tools to assemble it. It's made of aluminum. And you use this screw to adjust the size of your phone. And this is all the tools you need. And there is only one screw to use. You can adjust your angles now or later, but before you start riding, be sure that you tighten this screw as much as you can, because vibrations can make it loose, and you don't want to happen that while you are riding. And today those phone holders come in different shapes, sizes, colors. You can choose smaller ones, bigger ones, but I choose this one because it's small. It's made of aluminum because I worried about vibrations. It's adjusted to the mirror and didn't want it to vibrate too much. And this is how you can adjust your angles. You can position your phone horizontally or vertically. And here are two small stickers, pads, to prevent your phone from scratching. And as you can see, inside of this phone holder there are rubber parts to secure your phone. And this is how you mount it on the motorcycle. It goes just above a hole that holds a mirror, and the mirror screw goes through the phone holder. I had to stop recording because I had to use both of my hands to put everything back together, but this is how it looks when it's done.